Hello friend, welcome back once again. Should we begin the task now? Yeah. Uh, where we already this is completed previously, but if you want to know about the logic and explanation, please watch the previous video. Let's go to the next one. Remove element. So friends, this is the remove element task. What we need to do here is given an integer array nums and an integer value. Okay, remove all occurrence of value in nums in place. Okay, means in place means we need not to do what is the in place. In place algorithm is the algorithm that operates directly on the input data structure. Hello? Bro. Bro. Hmm. లేదు బ్రో లైవ్ ఇస్తున్నాను. Okay. Hello friends, let's wait some time. I will come back. Until that, please watch this one because what is the in place algorithm is going to come. We need not to take any another data type data structure like that. We need to use the existing one only. Please read it. I will come back soon. Hope you got the point. What is the in place algorithm related thing? Let's get back to the task. What we need to do is this one. This in place. The order of elements may be changed. Oh god, this one little tricky one. Then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to value. Okay. Consider the number of elements in num which are not equal to value to be k. To get accepted, you need not to you need to do the following things. Change the array names such that the first k elements of the nums contain the elements which are not equal to value. It is little bit not understanding, but let us try one more time. The remaining elements of the nums are not important as well as the size of the nums. Return k. Let's see the example to get the idea what they are going to try to say. What is this? Okay, what they are doing is there is the nums array is there 3, 2, 2, 3. They are also given one value 3. What we need to do is we need to remove this in place because we need not to do any other data structure or data type to do this operation. Okay, so what they did is remove 3 3 and given 2 2 because this order what they said is the order of the elements may be changed. Okay, This is the task. Let's see this one to get the clear idea about this task. 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, 4, 2. Value given 2. We need to remove the two elements. See, these two are removed 3 places. Then 0, 1, 4 is came. See, the logic is modified here. Means the order is changed. Because why? Because we need to know why this change has happened. Your function returns the 5. So the first 5 elements of the number 0, 3, 4. Note that the first element can be written in the array order. It does not matter what you leave behind the return k. Hence here is the underscore. Okay, let's go and fix this one. See what is happening here like. What are the constraints? So see, there is a constant 0 is here. Okay, so num sense maybe 0 or 0 to non 10 means the array length, nums array length. Each array value may be in between, that is the value in between 0 to 50. Okay, the what is the last value may be 0 to 100. Okay, okay, fine. So sometimes we may get the value which is not in the nums array because of 100. Okay, if the value is more than the 50, then all those cases are this is going to be something else. Okay, that is the one. Let's see, let's understand our code logic here. What we need to do, this is the solution logic. What we are going to get is, in this method we get the nums array and the value as they said. See in this, let's take this example to understand this code. I use the slow pointer which keeps track of the position because we need to for the next element, and that is not equal to value. Okay, int I equal to 0, and j is the first pointer which iterates through the entire array. So we need to travel, and also we need to keep the, as previously we, okay, that previous task also did the like this only, but some changes, some difference is there in the logic if you observe this one. So let's begin from this position to this position. Let's begin our journey. See here j equal to 0 and j's length is nums length. What is the nums length? This is gives the 4. Okay, 0 is less than 4 is true only. So we are going to enter into the for loop. Here nums j means the j index is 0, right? The nums j gives the 3. Okay, this 3 is not equal to value. Is it true? No. Is it true? No. Why? Because 3 is not equal to 3 is false. Because 3 is equal to 3 is true. So this block is not going to execute. So then what is happening? Then iteration is going to happen. Then j value going to be incremented to the 1. Okay. Then 1 comes. 1 is less than 4. It is true. 1 is less than 4. Names of 1 is gives 2. 2 is not equal to 3. Yes. When the value is not equal to 3 means the value, then we need to do some operation, shifting operations we need to do. Okay, then see nums of I means nums of I means I is pointing 0, right? So we need to take that 0 place with this one which are not matching, those we need to replace with this place. Okay, we replace with this one is nums of j. Nums of j is 2, right? 2 is replaced with the 3. Okay, now we don't bother about the 3 then. That is going to be uh, replaced with the 2. Okay, now this I value is going to be incremented and this I value is now it is 1. Okay, then j is going to be incremented and j pointing this j is incremented to 2. Now it is 2. So j2 is 2 only. 2 is not equal to 3 is true. Then I position is 1. So this place comes. This is replaced. Actually it is 2 only, but it is going to be replaced with the j. Means it is 2 only. Once again 2 means 2 is replaced with the 2. Okay. Then I is going to be incremented. Okay. I value now pointing 2. I is 2. J is 3. Okay. J3 means j is this value. J nums of j into nums of 3 contains 3. 3 not equal to 3. It is false. Then for loop is j value going to be incremented 4, but 4 less than 3 is the false. So this value is going to be break and it returns the 2. Let's check it. Yeah, it satisfies two cases. But before going to the submit, we should understand what is going to happen with this array as per our logic. Okay. So what is the value is there? 2 is there. As per our logic, what is going to happen is 2 checks with 0. First, is it mapping or not? No. Right? So 0 is replaced here. This is fine. Then I value incremented. Then the I value j also incremented, right? J is traveling. I value incremented. J pointing 1. 1 is equal not equal to 2. So this is also replaced here. Okay. And both values I value j value going to be incremented. Those are pointing this 2. Okay. 2 2 pointing. So this 2 iterations going to be skipped. Why? Because 2 is equal to 2. This 2 going to be happen. Then what is happening? 3 comes, right? When 3 comes, 3 is not equal to this one. Then 3 is replaced here. Okay. Actually, this place is for 3. Then what is happen? This place is 3, but okay. This is the j value going to be incremented. Then this check this one, and both I value j value going to be incremented, and comes to this place. This is going to be here, but I don't know exactly what is the logic here because actually this is going to be in order only. This is going to be happen in order only. But why this some other case is happening? Okay, let's try to submit. If you face any issue, then you will check it. Once again, we beats everyone with 100% we beaten. Actually, not we beaten, but our logic beats the 100% members who are submitted earlier. This is the better logic we implemented till now. I don't know how they are thinking, but it is good. This logic is good one only. Shall we move to the next logic? Hope everyone got it. If you have any doubts please comment below. You will get the response. Okay, let's move to the next task. Yeah. Find the index of the first occurrence in the string. Okay, let's see. Find the index of the first occurrence in string. See, given two strings, needle hashtag and hashtag. Return the index of the first occurrence of needle. Yeah, hashtag or -1 if needle is not part of hashtag. Because I don't know exactly this meaning. Needle I don't know, but hashtag do know. Okay, whatever it is. What the task is going to say is this needle should be in this hashtag. Okay, what is the hashtag is sad, sad, but sad, sad but sad means sad, but sad. Needle is sad. Sad exists in this, right? So this is existed because it returns 0. Sad occurs at index 0 and 6. Okay. So first occurrence. The first occurrence is at the index 0, right? So we return 0. This is the first occurrence. We return 0. Then why we need to travel all the things? Once we enter, okay, we need not to bother. Once it is successfully found the needle, then we should return the index. There is no issue. Look like. Okay, let's see this one. Then if here is the hashtag is the lead code, but needle is little, but little is not right. Not existing lead code, right? So lead code little did not occur in the node code, so we return the -1. This is the logic. Okay, it is good one only, but let's see. Not hashtag and needle, we are going to get it. Okay, let's understand our solution. This is the task and this is the solution. See what we need to do as per this one. We need to find the first index. If it is found, then we should immediately we can able to return. So let's see the constants. What is hashtag length or needle length is not equal to, see, by saying this it is equal to 1 or in between 1 to 10 power 4. Hashtag consists of only lowercase English characters. Okay, fine. So this is not going to happen. So in this case we need not to bother about this. As per the constraints we need not to bother about this one. Okay, let's see what is the length of hashtags is n and needle length is m. It is fine. We found the both lengths. Okay, if and also here also we can able to say if the length of sad is more than the length of this one, then there is a no possibility to get the needle in this hashtag. So then we can able to easily return the -1. Okay, what is the previous one? Instead of that, we can put this one return -1 and return 0. Yes, middle is empty. Okay, middle is not possible to empty. No, because middle handling. But let me see. And is less than return. That's you got it. You got my point, right? There is no possibility of needle exist if this length is lateral less than the needle length. Then there is no possibility to get that value. So it surely returns to -1. Part of see that's one. So let's begin our which one we can this one. Second one we should take the example to get the to understand this code. So if you observe this one, what we are going to do is we need to travel once again. See n minus m means always they think uh, n is the greater than m, but because of this logic it is going to be sure. There is no possibility of -1 minus values came into picture because we are returning -1 here itself. So we are surely going to be this for loop. Okay, let's see. I is the 0. We need to begin the journey now. Be alert and aware about the logic. If you have any doubts, please ping in comments. So I equal to 0 and less than, what is the value of n minus 1? We need to have n minus 1 value, n minus n length. What is the length of this one? Stack length is 7. Oh no, 8. This length is 5. Okay, this 8 minus 5 is, what is the 3? So 3 is that one. Okay, then let's begin. I equal to 0. I value is the is I value is 0 less than or equal to 3. It satisfies the condition. Then enter to the for loop. What we are going to do is we need to substring. Okay, substring. We need to find a substring from this to that position, m length position. Wow, this is the beauty of the substring. So it is from the 0 position to the length is, what is the length? 3, right? 0 to 3 means it gives the exact length of this needle. Oh, this needle. Okay, this is 5, right? So this is 5. 0 to 5. This gives the 0 to 5 length. So let go. We are going to get the let go in high stack. The substring is let go, but we need let to. Is both are equal? No, right? So I is going to be incremented, and whatever it travels, all the substrings are okay. One is complete. 0 to 1 is completed. Then we are I value is going to be incremented to the 1, and 1 is less than or equal to 3. It satisfies, but from the 1 to 5 means 1 to 5 substring value is this, but this is also not equals to that one, and I value going to be incremented. The next I is considered from this to this also not going to satisfy. It I value incremented. I think I is now 2, right? At 2 position. Now 2 value is incremented. Then it comes to the 3. The 3 also satisfies. 3 is less than or equal to 3. That is also satisfies. Then it is comes to the T2 code. So this is also not matches with this one. Then entire this loop is going to be travel, and there is no match we found. So it will return the -1. Okay, this further this one. If you observe this one, what is going to be happen? We need to see when we travel here at the first case only. If you observe at the first case only, the substring is going to be get it in the sub. So this is matched with this one. Then what is the I position at that moment? That is 0. So it returns the 0. So when we are get, see, there is no need to check the all the remaining matches, because once we matched, this is first occurrence, right? So first occurrence means we need to, once we found first one, we should return the value. That's enough. Okay, let's see our code is working as expected or not by this. See, oh, this one gives error. Why? Why this one gives error? Okay, I forgot to give semicolon. Shit, after a long time, I did a mistake, basic mistake it is one. Okay, fine. We satisfy the two conditions. That is fine. Then let's, our test cases is passed right. Then let's submit it. Oh, once again we beaten everyone. 100% beat rate. Hmm, thanks to the code of Gemini. Thanks to it. Hope you understand the logic. If you have any doubts, please ping. Let me go in depth if you have any doubts on this. If you have any better logic also, you can able to share it because we will discuss about it. We need to know what is the better than this. Already we beaten 100%, right? If you have the mode, if you have such type of logic, please share. Let's move to the next task. And set insert position. Okay, let's see. This is set insert position. What is order of n? Order of n means it is the one of the challenging one. Mostly when we are going to solve any task, mostly that takes the order of n. But here we need to do it order of order of means log n runtime complexity. I think it is challenging one. Let's see the task. What is the task? Set insert position is our task. Given a sorted array of distinct integers and a target value. Okay. Return the index if the target is found. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. Oh god. Mm. Return the index. If we found, return the index. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. This is the challenging one. Okay. I hope everything is going fine. Okay. Okay. Looks it is challenging one only. But let's see the numbers are given 1, 3, 5, 6. Target is 5. This 5 is found, right? We can actually this order of n it may take, but how can we resolve it order of n is challenging one. I thought it took the order of n. Okay. Order of n. Yeah, some algorithm we need to apply here. Okay. But its position is 2 position we found a 5, right? That's why it is 2 output. If you see in this 2 is not there, but it may be occurred at the position of 1 if it is try to insert it in this names. So that's why it is 1. 7 also 4th position. Fine. Okay. Here is the solution which we need to use some logic to take the order of spin time. Yes. In that case, we need to travel in both sides. Okay. Oh man, this logic is some different. This logic called some algorithm by Rakai. Binary search. Yeah. After a long time, we see the binary search algorithm to solve this one in the order. Okay. So this binary search we need to apply here. So let's see then. That's why it will become the surrounding. Okay. Okay, let me see. Training is running or not. Training is running only. Okay, let's come to solve this task. Let's see this example one. So which one we should take the example one? This is okay. This we can able to find it easily, but the second example is this a challenge in here. So if we understand the second one, then we will get the idea about this logic. So here is the search insert method. We will get the nums array which contains the number and the target one which contains the value. We need to find the value. So here is what is the left given 0 means this is pointing. Some is pointing 0 and the right is pointing this number 6. Oh sorry, we will take this one. This is pointing 1. This is 6. Okay. Nums means nums length gives the 4 minus 1 3. 0 1 2 3 means this is point. As consider this, it is at this location, this is 7 this location. Then check it. Left is less than or equal to right. Yes. Left is less than or equal to right. Then we are going to enter into the while loop, and in this what is the mid value? Left is left is 0 plus right is 3 minus 0. 3 3 by 2 means 1. The mid going to be the 1. Okay, at one location. Nums of mid means nums of 1 which gives a 3 value and is equal to target 2. No, 3 is not equal to target 2, right? Then it is going to be the else flag. Else if nums 3. Nums 3 is, what is the nums 3? Nums mid value is 1, right? Nums 1 is 3. 3 is less than or equal to 2. This is also false. 3 is not less than or equal to 2. So comes to the else flag. In the else flag, comes to the right is equal to mid minus 1. Right is mid minus 1 means mid minus 1 is that is pointing to mid value is 1. 1 and right is going to be point 1. Right is going to be point 1. Okay. So right is 1. Left also that is 1 only. Left is 0, right? So 0 and 0 is less than or equal to 1. It is satisfied. Then it comes to the while loop once again. In this loop, so left is 0 and right also 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Must become the 0. Okay, that is 0 now. Okay, 0 position, nums of 0 gives the 1 value. 1 is equal to 2. No, this, this is not true. Then comes to the else block. If nums of 0 is 1 is less than or equal to 2, it is satisfied this condition. Then the left is going to be the incremented. Left is going to be the incremented to the mid. Mid is 0, right? 0 plus 1. Left is 1. Okay. Now left is 1 and right is 0. Then this is going to be the break. Okay. We are going to return the left. Left is the 1, right? So this is the output. This logic is a little bit tricky. Why? Because there is three conditions applied here. One is if it is found, we need to return the 13 days. If it is not found, we need to return the whatever missing one, missing location, suitable missing position. So it is tricky one. But its logic is working fine only. That we need to think about are this logic is going to satisfy all the test cases. Yeah, it is successfully worked for the three test cases and process. And let's see the submission. See, once again we beaten this task with a 100%. But here is why we implemented this logic. We need to discuss why we are implemented like this. Before we implemented, it is fine. It is happy thing to build this logic. But building this type of logic to build the 100% is a really challenging one. Because of Gemini, it is easy to generate such logic because which takes less than very fast. It is becoming very fast. But we need to think about it. How it is build this type of logic. We need to understand what is happening here. Binary search loop. First, the target, find the target, or it is inserting point. So this type of logic we need to implement. Binary search only can satisfy the order of n time complexity. But here is the mid. How it is implemented this logic, how it is done. Prevents the potential integer overflow. Hmm. But how it is implemented this one? Why it is put like this? This condition here, and why it is both this class and this class and this class, and all the things. This first one, this logic, prevents potential integer overflow. And when we are doing any operation, that maybe index should be in between these left and right one. Okay, I think that purpose only I think so. Left and right minus right. But what is this for? This purpose? Target found, return is index. In this case, there is an equal condition right there. So in this case, we can able to find the target at this position. Then we can return the mid value. Okay, mid is satisfied the target, then it is good to return the mid value. Whatever I already explained. And when comes to the mid, when in that case if the mid value is less than the target, means we need to travel further. Means we need to move further. So in that case, what is happening is the target must be in the right half of the array. That means that is going to say if mid is there more than the mid target. So we need to left side, left whatever left side is there, we need to move little bit forward. So left side we need to forward to the one integer. So that right means the target is right. We need to move from the left. So if that is also not, it is not less than. So what we need to do is else condition. So then what will say target must be in the left side. So we need to move the right part. Okay. The target must be left off. Means we need to move from the right. We need to decrease from that side. So that is the logic behind this entire thing. But this logic is superbly to solve our condition. If the loop finishes, the target was found, the left pointer. Okay. And I don't know exactly what why left pointer is pointing. And the response is going to be left pointer. As from now current image where the target point to be inserted to the medical the started order. The list. Okay. This is the way of this logic, but this is the basic logic. But if you defeated, beated the 100% users who submitted this task. Okay. Thank you. If you have any doubts on this topic or anything, please comment below. And for more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.